Hi everybody. I don't know if you are like me, but keeping things clean is kind of important to me. And when we talk about clean, I prefer to clean with the fresh water, a good soap and a fresh water. Dry cleaning or chemical cleaning doesn't quite cut it for me. When I was a child, every April we had a huge spring cleaning. So it's April and I want to clean this heavy, big comforter. And since it won't fit in my washer and I don't want to take it to dry cleaning, I had to get creative. So instead of paying for the dry cleaning and having this comforter chemically treated, my daughter and I decided to come up with a way to wash it with the good old soap and water. And to do it, we had to come up with a big enough manual washer. As you can see, this totally worked. The key was to let the comforter soak long enough, to use lukewarm water, to have enough soap, and to keep mixing it as Michaela is doing here. You can tell how much dirt we are getting out of this comforter, although part of it is from the textile color. I love keeping my kids occupied with silly projects like this. It's beneficial to me, but it's also very beneficial to them. It keeps them active and it keeps their mind creative when it comes to solving problems. So obviously the next step is to drain the dirty water, refill the container with the fresh water, go back to the process of mixing it, stepping it, and squeezing more dirt and more soap out of it, and just continue to repeat this until you feel that comforter is free of soap and that it's rinsed really well. When done, let it set on the sun, and there you have it. There is nothing better in the world than sun-dry linens. Thank you guys for watching, and good luck with keeping your house clean and keeping your kids busy.